Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Fat around the tummy area is the most difficult to get rid of when you're trying to get into shape. Just following a diet typically is not enough. You need to have a workout regimen in place in order to get those washboard flat abs. Here are 7 exercises that will zap away belly fat without the need to hit the gym. Begin by lying down on the mat, feet flat and aligned with the hips, knees bent, and hands placed gently behind your head. Lie down flat, but allow a small curve under the small of your back. We'll begin with ab preps. Simply engage your core and exhale as you crunch up, and exhale as you go back down towards the floor. Be sure to keep your core engaged throughout the entire exercise. For best results, keep your eyes on your knees or towards the ceiling. Also, make sure your neck is relaxed so you don't strain any muscles. For our second exercise, we're going to work on the obliques. Again, engage your core and exhale as you sit up and rotate to one side. Inhale as you come back to the center. Be sure to keep that neck relaxed. We don't want any injuries. Keep your eyes locked on your knees and keep your core engaged. If you'd like to see progress a little bit sooner rather than later, you can put both of your legs up in a tabletop position to make it a little more difficult. Next, we're going to do a move called the single leg stretch. Begin by putting both legs into the air in a tabletop position. Rest your hands on either side of your knees. Exhale as you lift your neck up and extend one leg out in front of you. Inhale as you bring your leg back to the tabletop position. And exhale as you extend the second leg. If you want a bit of a challenge, straighten your legs out lower to the ground. And be sure to keep that core engaged. If you find that you're straining your neck too much throughout this exercise, simply put one hand behind your head to keep your neck stable. Next, we're going to do single leg circles. Go back into that tabletop position, and this time, leave your hands by your sides on the floor for balance. Extend one leg to the ceiling and perform small circles, 10 reps each. Don't forget to keep that core engaged. Once you've done your reps, reverse directions. After that, go back into your tabletop position, switch legs, and perform the exercise again. Next, we're going to do ankle touches. Come up in the ab prep position and lift your arms up by your sides. Exhale and touch one ankle with your right arm. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale and touch your opposite ankle. Repeat this motion, keeping your abs engaged and neck relaxed. Are you feeling the burn yet? You're doing a great job. Next, we're going to do one of my absolute favorite ab workouts. It's called the hundreds. We're going to engage the core for 100 counts. Begin by pumping the arms in small, controlled motions as we lift the neck up gently in our ab prep position. Inhale for 5 counts and exhale for 5 counts as you pulse your arms. If you're feeling confident, you can progress to the tabletop position or even position your legs at a 45-degree angle. It's okay if you're not quite ready for the more advanced techniques. Work your way up. You'll get there. We're on to our last exercise. Keep your feet hip distance apart, hands relaxed, and out in front of you. Use your lower back and abs to roll back down ever so slightly. Rotate your hands to one side and then place your hands down towards the ground. Lift them back up as you move back towards the center. Rotate to the other side. With each twist, exhale and keep that core engaged. We're sure you're feeling the burn by now, but we promise if you continue these workouts, you're going to see some serious results. Be sure to incorporate some cardio into your routine, as well as a balanced, healthy diet. We hope you found these tips and tricks to be useful. Let us know down in the comments below if you decide to implement them into your workout routine. Be sure to give this video a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.